Yo, welcome back to the channel. Today we have a very important update. Blackmagic just updated the firmware of the Pocket Cinema camera lineup. This update is massive. It allows the camera to be used as a webcam. It also allows you to upload clips directly from the camera to the Blackmagic cloud, and thus allowing you to work remotely super efficiently. For those of you using DaVinci Resolve, this is a very big upgrade. In my case, I don't use Resolve, but it's still super handy to be able to upload directly from the camera on a set to my cloud, and then my editor can access the file remotely and then download from my cloud account directly to his machine and begin working. So the ability to do that straight from the camera, it's just a game changer. Let's just dive into the video. There's a lot to cover. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to go to blackmagic.com, go to support section, and then you're going to see the latest camera update 8.6 public beta. You're going to hit download. No need to put your information. The download is going to take quite a bit. It's a relatively large file. Once you've downloaded the file to your computer, you're going to now go and uncompress the folder, and that's going to bring you to the executable icon. You're going to double click and you're going to go continue, accept, continue, and install the software. Once the installation is finished, you're going to go and click the Blackmagic camera setup app. Once the camera is connected to the computer via USB-C, it will tell you your camera needs updating. So you are going to go ahead and click update. This is also going to take a few minutes. The camera is going to restart. Once the camera has restarted, you will be prompted with the menu where you select the camera language. I'm just going to leave it in English. Accept. Now we have a new tab, and so this wasn't here before. If you select the clip, now you have the option to delete that clip, which is something very, very cool that we never had in the 10 years that I had Blackmagic cameras. Also, you can see the storage icon here, and next to it we have the cloud section. At the moment I'm not connected to the internet. The camera is connected to the PC still. Now the camera can connect directly to Blackmagic cloud and upload files, which is unbelievable, straight from the camera. The way you go about it is you first need to connect the camera to your phone via USB-C. You're going to make sure you're sharing your internet from your phone. You're going to go to the cloud icon and it will recognize that the camera is connected to the internet. So it will give you a QR code and a verification code. You can just scan that with your photo app in your phone, connect to your cloud account. Once it's connected, it will look as normal, but you can see in the top corner it says LD. That's my initials. So I'm now connected via internet from my phone to the Blackmagic cloud. At the moment I have no footage on my cloud account. So the way you upload clips is you can do it one by one by going to the clip, selecting the little cloud icon, and it's actually quite fast. It depends on your internet connection, but it's actually quite fast. And then once that's finished, you will be able to see your clip in your Blackmagic cloud account. If you go to the third icon here, you can select multiple clips and upload them to your Blackmagic cloud account. We're going to leave that there. It's going to take a bit of time to upload. Also, very important thing to notice, my phone is actually connected to my Wi-Fi. That's why the uploads are so fast, and I'm sharing that Wi-Fi signal through my tethering with the camera. So as you can see, the upload is super fast. I already have a couple of clips in my cloud account. I can see camera uploads, and they are 3 Blackmagic raw clips with a side card. This is unbelievable. I currently don't really use Resolve, only for grading, but if you were using Resolve now, the footage is effectively uploaded directly to the cloud, and you can connect Resolve to your cloud account and edit the files. This is a very good upgrade for the Pocket Cinema camera lineup. Second thing we have is the ability to use the camera as a webcam. This is quite cool. I just connected to my laptop there. I'm gonna just focus here, and as you can see, the camera is live streaming. I just set up a quick Google Meet call, and my desk is a mess. But anyhow, that works very good. Very little delay. So unbelievable update for this camera. So that was a lot to unpack. I hope I was able to help some of you update the firmware in your cameras, and I would love to know what you guys think in those comments below. Is this something that can help you in your production? Do you want to see further updates? Anything that you think, just write it there in the comments. Thanks for watching. As always, stay tuned for the next video. See ya.